Hello beloved colleagues. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to tackle a natural phenomenon in transmission lines. Have you ever looked up at a power line and wondered why bird perching on bare transmission lines doesn't get electrocuted? Under what circumstances will these birds get electrocuted, and when are they completely safe from electrocution? The answer lies in the fascinating behavior of electric current. In this video, we'll explore this mysterious phenomenon. Dear friends, if you're new here, please support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. This will keep you updated on my latest videos. Thanks for doing that. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of electrical engineering. Welcome back. Birds perched on transmission lines often appear to be in a dangerous situation, but they rarely get electrocuted. Birds can safely perch on transmission lines without getting electrocuted, primarily due to the principles of electricity and how electrical circuits operate. Let's get straight to it. Here are the main reasons. 1. No voltage difference. For electricity to flow through a conductor, there needs to be a voltage difference between 2 points. When a bird stands on a single transmission line, both of its feet are at the same electrical potential, so there is no voltage difference across its body. As a result of this, there is no current flowing through the bird, and so it does not get electrocuted. 2. No grounding. Birds on transmission lines are not in contact with a grounded surface, which is necessary for an electrical shock to occur. Since they're only touching the live wire, there's no path for the electricity to flow to the ground. Note, source of this grounding can be from supported structures like poles, towers, or neutral lines. 3. High resistance. Please pay attention here. Legs of birds have relatively high resistance compared to the resistance of the line. Here, it is important to know that current flows in path of least resistance. The resistance offered by birds' legs is greater than the conductor. Because of this, current doesn't flow through the bird. Even if it tends to flow, it would be negligible due to the bird's relatively high resistance. This very low current flow is usually not enough to cause harm to the bird. 4. Behavior. Birds tend to be aware of their surroundings. They avoid perching on objects that are grounded, or on multiple wires at once, unless they are larger birds. Now that we've discussed why birds don't get electrocuted, let's examine the circumstances under which they can receive a shock. If a bird bridges the gap between two power lines of different voltages, like 1. Touching both lines at once. 2. Touching one line and a grounded structure. These two conditions can cause potential difference, and therefore creates a path for current to flow through its body, potentially leading to electrocution and death of the bird. To mitigate electrocution risks, in areas where birds tend to land, power lines are often designed with safety features like wider wire spacing and protective barriers to prevent electrocutions. In conclusion, the combination of no voltage difference, no grounding, single wire contact, low current flow, and along with line design and bird behavior, all contribute to birds being able to safely perch on transmission lines without getting electrocuted. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.